Hello, I'm Han Solo. Let the shredding begin. So today I wanted to go over a cover song. That's where you take a popular song that people know and you cover it. You just basically play it. Today we're going to learn Heathens. That's a classic 3-4 chord song. It has 3 main chords with 1 extra. It's going to be C major chord, A minor chord, followed by E major chord for 2 beats. So it kind of goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just repeats like that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So all my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
So on and so forth. That works itself out to be both the chorus and the verse.
Welcome to the room of people, rooms of people that they loved one day tucked away.
So that's kind of most of the song right there. 3 chords, C, A minor, E major. The only other chord is B7 for the bridge.
After all I said, please don't forget.
So we're going to go over all those chords one at a time. C is I'm going to start with my finger 1 on string 2, fret 1, which happens to be C. I'm going to skip a string with my next finger on the next fret, and that's going to be fret 2 on the string 4. And then I'm going to come in with my ring finger number 3 on string 5, fret 3. That's your C chord. Now C and A are very close to each other. In fact, there's only one note that's different. So I can move just this one finger. C is here, A is here, but these 2 fingers stay put. From your A chord, you're going to go up the elevator, meaning you're going to take all 3 fingers up a set of strings. So it goes from A minor, and I just feel my way up a set of strings. Each finger goes up 1. Now all together, that's C major chord. I hide my ring finger 3 behind my middle finger for A minor, and then I take all 3 fingers up. And then I've got the majority of the song down. Now your B7 chord that comes in on the bridge part, that's where you start with your pinky on string 1, fret 2. I'm going to skip a string with my next finger on the same fret, skip a string with the next finger on the same fret, and I'm going to plug my finger 1 in on string 4. That's B7. It should sound tense.
After all I said, please don't forget.
Now, some creative things you can do to the song is add rhythms. I like to do 1 big strum for each chord, and then come down to the bottom of the guitar and do a bass drum sound with my thumb, and then a snare drum sound on the bottom. And that winds up looking like this, technique-wise. This way for the bass drum, this way for the snare drum. Now when I add chords to that, it brings the song to life. Then I just do that again because the E chord is twice as long. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
So on and so forth. For the B7 chord, I just do a straight strum on that. That imitates the song. And if you can mute the strings to where they don't make any sound, you just lightly touch them. And then you go down, up, like that. That imitates the watch it part where they go.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
So hopefully that'll give you some strategies on working out a new cover song, and this is an idea that you can use on just about any song that has chords. And let me know how that goes. I'd love to hear about it. Other than that, I'll just see you around.